Hi everybody. Today I have the Glow Addict mystery box. This was the Give Thanks mystery box where all of the proceeds goes to Meals on Wheels. It's $15, free shipping, and you get one palette and 4 to 5 other full-size products. So let's see what I got. Okay, here we go. Okay, first thing I see is Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade Next Level. Let's see what Next Level lipstick looks like. The shrink wrap is kind of hard to get off of here, but I got it. Okay. It stands here, but this is where the lipstick is. That's interesting. See if I can get it open. Okay. Oh, there we go. It just comes out like this. All right. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Let's try it out. Oh, it's beautiful. Like a rose, a deep rose. I like these kind of lipstick colors. All right. And then the next thing I see is from Kala, Slanted Tweezers with a zebra pattern. These are pretty. Mother tweezers are beginning to get old, so this is right on time. And these are the tweezers. They have the slanted tip like that. There's a little holder on there. There they go. Okay, these are nice. They're pretty. And always handy to have. The next is Illuminati Quad Palette in this bubble wrap. Oh, it's a nice neutral palette. That's pretty. These are the shades. These are nice shades. I can definitely use these with no problem. Okay, and then there's another palette in here. This one is from The Balm. It's called Smoke Bomb. Has a little diagram on the back for ideas. Oh, it even has a tiny little mirror in there. And these are the colors. Very pretty. Neutral with a little bit of bronzy, coppery type tint to them. Very pretty. I'll swatch this one. There's this shimmer color. And there's a matte. And another matte. And there they are. Nice. Oh, I like them. Yeah, I really like these. This one is almost pink. Okay. I will enjoy using that. And then there's an eyeliner from Illuminati. It's called Gel Paint. And this one is in the shade Electric Blue. And there it is. It's a beautiful blue shade. And then the last thing is from Sweet Chef. This is a kale and vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. It hydrates and soothes dry skin. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. And this little thing here says, selfie approved. Don't kale my vibe. Okay, that's fun. In the Glow Addict Thankful mystery box, we got the Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B sheet mask, the Pretty Blue Eyeliner from Illuminati Cosmetics, the Smoke Bomb with Foil eyeshadow palette, as well as the Illuminati Quad palette, the Zebra Print Tweezers, and the Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick in the shade Next Level. Alright, this was pretty good for only $15 with no shipping. I do like mystery boxes, especially when they have things in them that I like. Alright, so that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.